Two circles C and C1 and C2 touch, each of radius 3 centimeter with the center X and Y respectively intersect each other such that line XY joining the center intersecting circles C1 and C2 at P and Q. PQ is 2, so this is 2. Perimeter of the rectangle we need to find out. This is 2. This up is 3, this up is 3 because of the radius. So breadths are 6. This is 3, this is 3. This totally is, that means this part is 1, this part is 1. So breadths are 6, length is 8. 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. No. Wait, this is 3. This is 3, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 3, 10. Sorry, this 10. Whole into 2, that is 32. Option B.